Ever pondered what the future of technology might hold? Picture a world where drones deliver daily essentials, where quantum computing becomes mainstream, and where artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence. This isn't the stuff of science fiction anymore, but the reality we're stepping into. First up on the horizon is drone delivery, expected to become a common sight by the end of 2024. Imagine sitting at home and having your groceries, medicines, or even a piping hot pizza delivered right to your doorstep by a drone. Not only does this have the potential to revolutionize the e-commerce industry, but it also paves the way for a contactless and eco-friendly delivery system. Quantum computing, anticipated to break into the mainstream by 2025, is next on the list. This technology promises to solve complex problems in seconds that would take traditional computers thousands of years. From designing new medicines to predicting weather patterns, the potential applications of quantum computing are far-reaching and transformative. Finally, the dawn of artificial superintelligence is predicted around the year 2030. This milestone marks the point where AI will not only mimic human intelligence, but surpass it. Such a development could be a game changer, enabling machines to solve problems and create innovations that are currently beyond human comprehension. To sum it up, the future of technology is not just about new gadgets and gizmos. It's about creating solutions that can enhance our lives in ways we can't even imagine right now. From drone delivery, making our lives more convenient, quantum computing, solving complex problems at lightning speed, to artificial superintelligence, potentially revolutionizing our understanding of intelligence itself, these are the inventions that will shape our future. So, as we stand on the brink of these technological breakthroughs, one can't help but wonder, what's next? Well, only time will tell. But one thing is for sure, the future of technology is brighter, bolder, and more exciting than ever before.